Good morning. Happy Friday to you. Starting off a little cool this morning, mainly up across the northern part of the state. Northern mountains in the 20s and 30s this morning. 28 in Durango, 30 in Taos. We're in the upper 30s in Santa Fe, so a little chilly there. 52 in Albuquerque, and then in the 40s and 50s down across southern New Mexico. So you may need the long sleeves, the jacket right now. You definitely won't need it later on today. It is going to be gorgeous. Plenty of sunshine. Westerly wind is going to heat up the east. Yesterday, remember, we were stuck in the 60s and 70s as a cold front brought in some cooler air, but today we're going to make it well into the 80s and 90s, and those temperatures are going to climb going into the weekend. Winds overall not too bad, but because of all the dry conditions out east, we are going to be looking at extreme fire danger, especially in the southeastern part of the state. So as we head into the weekend, let's talk about the temperatures. It is going to be very warm, a far cry from where we were last weekend, stuck in the 40s, and some of you even up in the northern mountains stuck in the 30s with even that snow moving in. This weekend, lots of sunshine with temperatures steadily in the upper 70s to low 80s across central and western New Mexico. And then the heat is on out east. We're looking at highs in the low 80s in Raton, low 90s in Tucumcari, and going into this weekend, high 90s for Roswell, and then triple-digit heat down the far southeastern part of the state, Carlsbad, looking at temperatures right around 100 degrees. So the heat is on big time, and again, we're going to have the hot temperatures, low relative humidity, and it's going to be a little windy at times, so high fire danger out east, but primarily down in the southeastern part of the state. Your forecast now for the northwest for today. Plenty of sunshine, nice and mild. 74 in Durango, 82 in Farmington, low 80s for Grants. Your extended forecast showing more of the same going into the weekend. And then a few changes next week. We'll see a little more cloud cover with a chance for some spot showers. And those temperatures certainly come down. Highs only in the low 60s to low 70s. South and west, partly to mostly sunny today. Temperatures right around 90 degrees for Socorro, 87 in TRC, 89 in Deming, then down into the 40s and 50s tonight. Silver City, 83 today, mid-80s this weekend with breezy conditions moving in Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, followed by some cooler air moving in as we head into next week. South and east, partly cloudy. You may see a spot thunderstorm this afternoon, but most of you are just going to see a lot of sunshine. Temperature-wise, upper 80s and low 90s, and then it gets even warmer. And this weekend, sunny, warm, and breezy with highs in the upper 90s, then windy going into next week, so that fire danger just increasing as we head through the next several days. North and east, sunny and breezy today. Winds will gust to 35 miles per hour at times. Temperature-wise, though, 80s and 90s, so much warmer than yesterday. Las Vegas, 77, 80 tomorrow, and then on Sunday, climbing into the upper 70s. For the northern mountains, mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the 60s for Red River, 67 in Angel Fire. We'll be in the upper 70s for Santa Fe. Breezy conditions today through the weekend and even into the start of next week as those temperatures start to come down a little bit closer to where we should be, those highs in the low 70s by next week. East Mountains, lots of sunshine with temperatures in the low 80s today, and for the metro, mid 80s for highs with mostly sunny skies. A gorgeous way to wrap up the work week, and the weekend looking fantastic. Mom should be really happy on Sunday. Winds not too bad. We're going to see a lot of sunshine and temperatures nice and warm in the low 80s.
He was arrested last weekend for DWI.